This is another massive project that we're taking on. We're actually gonna be helping out Hayes Roofing on this project. This home behind me is over 13,000 square feet. We have 240 yards on site currently, and they're gonna be tearing off completely the roof. We got a mix of clay and foam here. And so come this way, let me show you why you need to use junk rescue 40 yards when you're dealing with anything probably, I'd say 6,000 to 8,000 square feet or more. You're gonna wanna introduce our containers into your project because it's gonna speed up the tear off time on these roofs. And you're probably saying, Kyle, well, a 40 yard? Like, I can't load a 40 yard with that much material. Yeah, you're right. Granted, we only go about halfway, but these 40 yards are perfect when your guys are loading off the roof because it splashes everywhere, the material goes everywhere. So that way we have our high sides as they throw into the container. It kind of acts as a shield and a barrier to keep the driveway and other areas clean. And like I mentioned earlier, we get all the way back to the roof, leaving very little space. That way when the 10-man crew is on the roof, they have no shot to miss. They're going straight into the container. This makes it way easier for you roofers when you're traditionally using like trailers and you fill the trailer up in like 30 seconds on these big projects. So you need a massive container that holds a lot of material. That way you can speed up your tear off time. Otherwise your crews are on the project for even a couple extra days because they're waiting on the guy to bring back a trailer so they can load into. Now, we have 2 of these here, and on Tuesday is when the big project's really gonna be starting. We'll bring in another truck with multiple containers so that we can exchange these on a timely manner for the roofer, and then that way, they're just gun-ho and their tear-off crew is go, go, go. There's no stoppage. And as you know, as a general contractor, as a roofer, a plumber, electrician, time is money. So getting these projects done and these tear-offs done sooner allows you to get into the rebuild phase and put your new material on. So if you're in Scottsdale, Paradise Valley, Phoenix, and you need a big 40, whether that's even for general construction, demolition, house cleanouts, we offer them for that. But I really want to preach to you roofers out there, drop in the comments. I want to connect with you and show you why our dumpsters are your go-to for your upcoming big roof project.